Okay, so this is going to be our interior room tour on the Utopia of the Seas. We are on deck 9, room 523 on the starboard side. This is going to be an interior stateroom. Okay, so immediately on the back of the door, of course, you have all of your location information and the safety information. You have your muster station number as well as the muster location, some information about the life vest. So they did tell us during muster that Royal Caribbean no longer leaves the life vest in the room. They are going to be at your muster station in case of emergency. This is going to be your do not disturb magnet. Lock for the door. Immediately next to the door is going to be your closet area. I'm trying to angle it because this stateroom is pretty tight. Okay, and this side of the closet is going to be storage as well as a safe. The safe is not large enough to fit a laptop. You have your thermostat controls. They did put in a blank card for the lights in the air, so I did appreciate that. This is going to be your light control for the room, and then this is going to be the light for the restroom. And this is going to be the bathroom. So as you all see, the bathroom is really small. I'm gonna stand back a little bit to show you, but yeah, that's it. I will say, although the bathroom is small, the shower is a good size. Okay, and then this is going to be the shower. So they have a combination shampoo and body wash if you forget it at home. It's a pretty decent sized shower. Of course, a toilet. And then I feel like I have to sit down to show y'all the bathroom. But yeah, this is going to be everything else. So your storage, trash can. Okay, so you have a mirror, and then you have your storage, couple glasses, have your sink. Underneath there's some additional storage with a wastebasket. Right here is going to be the living room area, so that is going to be your TV. So we did not actually receive a remote. There is a remote in the app that we've been using to control the TV. So when you first board, you are going to have some information like about the parties and the events. If you have a minor child, that's pretty much any kid that's 12 and under, you will get a bracelet from them with the muster station on there. So here we have a dresser for storage. So top drawer is going to have the blow dryer as well as some Kleenex, some information about the disposal of medical needles. The right side is going to have all of your room service information as well as the mini bar items. If you want breakfast, continental breakfast is included. You would just sit this outside your door before the cutoff time. Room service, the food is included, but there is a room service fee. So the room service fee is $7.95 plus a gratuity of 18%. And the rest of the drawers is just some storage, which is really good in this room because there isn't a ton of storage in the closet and it's only one closet. So these drawers definitely come in handy. And over here is going to be your cooler or mini fridge. I do have the deluxe drink package, so these items are not included with the room, but if you do have the deluxe drink package or the refreshment package, you would be able to have those drinks. So because it's only two of us, we only have the chair. We do not have the sofa. This is going to be our vanity mirror, as well as the Euro outlets, regular outlets, the US outlets, as well as a USB-C and a traditional USB outlet. Right here is going to be your bed. You can split this into two twin size beds or keep it together for a queen. We did keep the bed together for this sailing. This right here is my little buddy. Leave a comment below if you can guess what towel animal this is. Both sides of the beds do have a lamp that has a plug, a USB-C, and then this side of the bed, this controls the room lights. And then this is going to be your phone. And this is the opposite side. And we have a full length mirror. All right, so this is going to complete our tour of this interior room. Royal Caribbean does have a couple different interior room categories. They do have interior rooms with windows that look out into Central Park and the promenade area. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next videos, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.